You're looking at a 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E Premium. All-electric dual motor with 20,000 miles. All-wheel drive. Comes loaded up. Gets about 230 miles at 100% charge. It is all-wheel drive. It does have CCS fast charging. Car is in excellent shape and still under full factory warranty. Power doors, all weather mats, heated leather seats, a smart system with a B&O audio, Android Auto, Apple Carplay, 360 parking, dash cam, wireless charging pads, cup holders, drive modes, adaptive cruise control. Exact mileage right now is 21,537. Car is in excellent shape. Rear vents, one owner, no accidents. Power trunk. It's a nice, clean. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, it's 508-921-0301. Thank you.